Recurrent neural networks, RNNs, process sequential data where order matters. Text is sequential, word by word. Speech is sequential, sound by sound. Stock prices are sequential, day by day. RNNs handle these naturally. RNNs have memory that carries information across sequence steps. When reading a sentence, earlier words influence understanding of later words. RNNs maintain context as they process. Memory enables understanding sequences. At each step, RNN processes current input plus memory from previous steps. Updates its memory, passes to next step. Context accumulates through sequence. Understanding builds progressively rather than looking at isolated pieces. Long short-term memory networks, LSTMs, are advanced RNNs solving memory problems. Standard RNNs forget long-range context. LSTMs selectively remember important information over long sequences. Most practical RNN applications use LSTM architecture. Sentiment analysis processes review text sequentially. Machine translation reads source language, generates target language sequentially. Speech recognition converts audio sequences to text. Time series forecasting predicts future from sequential history. Transformer architecture largely replaced RNNs for language tasks. Transformers process sequences in parallel rather than step by step. Much faster training powers GPT, BERT, and modern language AI. RNNs still useful for some sequence problems. RNNs process sequential data by maintaining memory across steps. LSTMs handle long sequences better. Transformers now dominate language tasks, but RNN concepts remain foundational for understanding sequence processing in AI. RNNs covered. Next video explores natural language processing comprehensively. How AI understands, interprets, and generates human language.